So FLR Token Utility. FLR is the ticker symbol for the FLR token. It comes with 4 distinct utilities that affect every token holder. First form of yield is earning the FTSO Delegation rewards. This comes at no risk to token holders. You're able to wrap your FLR to WFLR and then delegate a no-risk vote to signal providers or FTSOs every 3.5 days and then claim those rewards. That compounds your FLR. So you earn FLR. This is the inflation rewards, and it is not part of the distribution. Then second is the distribution rewards. This is the change in the proposal that will allow all the distribution to be put in one pool that will be distributed for 36 months, 1/36 every 36 months. So the first, second, third, fourth months will have the largest distribution of FLR. And all you have to do to earn these rewards is wrap your FLR. Technically, that's it. But why wouldn't you delegate to the FTSOs as well? There will be a random 3 snapshots every month that will determine how much vote power you have versus everyone else. So there'll be roughly between 650 million and I think 700 million FLR coming out every month. The same every month, but the vote power in total will be different because there will be a lower participation early on, and your amount that you have will vary. If for some reason somebody missed the first snapshot, then they would only get 2/3 of what they would have got. So that's why it's so important to make sure that you're wrapped and delegated for these snapshots to receive the delegation rewards. You also then get, a third thing, is governance rights. You get governance rights, which allows you to vote and have an influence over the network. Everyone is treated fairly. Per one token, you have one vote. Now you could simultaneously be delegating and receiving distribution, and we'll talk about utilizing your token all simultaneously and vote. So this, over a longer term period, governance voting rights will add value to the token. And then the fourth is being able to simultaneously deploy your FLR token as collateral in, say, the F-asset system, or in the relayer system, or in layer cake, or as liquidity in a DEX, or in a lending protocol as collateral, and still simultaneously earn the FTSO delegation rewards, so you'll still be able to delegate. Now, each DApp will have their own policy on how you could delegate. Some, you'll have to go through their FTSO. Some will let you delegate to your own, so that will be dependent on their DApp, but they all will allow you to earn the FTSO rewards while deploying your WFLR or FLR in that DApp, or, say, F-asset system. You'll be able to do that. And you'll simultaneously be able to earn the monthly distribution. And this is possible because it takes a snapshot of your vote power. So you're still the owner of that vote power, even though you delegated it to earn the FTSO rewards. You're still the owner. So this is literally superpowers when it comes to utility. It's super utility. Most tokens, you have to stake them, and you earn some small percentage of APY, and then you get a liquid derivative that you could use. What's different here is there's no derivative. That's the real token that you're using then as collateral. So important to understand, zero risk. So if you go to sell FLR, you just sold your distribution monthly for 36 months. And now that will vary every month, but it will earn the most in the beginning because there'll be the least participation. And it also comes with this FTSO delegation rights. So this is something other networks don't have, besides creating a liquid derivative. You could also crowdfund with this, where the rewards that you earn can be directed to another contract to fund a project. And then one other thing on here is FLR is used for gas fees. All gas fees are burned. So that's just something to add on. So you can see that there's massive utility right out the gate when the FLR network launches. This is something unlike many other networks that have taken years to develop their utility. So the main use case would be as collateral. You get the distribution, and then you get your inflation rewards, and you get governance rights. So what's being built here and what's being airdropped for free to many in the XRP community, you need to understand what you're receiving and what you own. So I hope this diagram here helps everyone get a visual of what they're receiving in the airdrop, or if you're not receiving it, what you're purchasing, or what you potentially can purchase. This is not financial advice. I'm Mickey B. Fresh, and I'm out.